Have you ever seen these AI ASMR videos on TikTok and Instagram pulling millions of views? Yes, they are blowing up right now and creators are cashing out from this simple clip. So let me show you how I did it. Step 1. I came to ChatGPT, pasted my template prompt and instantly got multiple creative ideas for it. No stress. Pause the video and screenshot these templates. Step 2. I went to AI, sign in with your Gmail account. I scroll down and find the ASMR cutting template. Click on the template. Then click here. I insert the prompt that ChatGPT gave me. Then I scroll down and hit generate. And here is the best part. Videos like this are so addictive. People watch them on repeat. That's why creators are making serious money from views alone. If you want to make money with AI, don't forget to like and subscribe.